Let's solve the third problem in non-distinguishing process. A researcher conducts ECM on a binary alloy with density 6000 kg per meter cube of iron atomic weight equal to 56, valence equal to 2, and metal P atomic weight equal to 24, valence equal to 4. Faraday constant is 96,500 coulombs per mole. Volumetric metal removal rate of the alloy is 50 mm³ per second at a current of 2000 amperes. Then the percentage of metal P in the alloy is close to. Okay. What is the formula for metal removal rate in ECM process when binary alloy is given? This is the formula. Metal removal rate equal to I by rho F Z1 by A1 plus Z2 by A2. Rho means density of binary alloy. F means Faraday's constant. Z1 means valency of iron, atomic weight of iron. Z2 means valency of metal P, atomic weight of metal P. Okay. I means current. Just we have to calculate percentage of metal P in the alloy. Okay, let's assume x1 and x2 are percentage of iron and metal P in the alloy. So just rewrite the formula like this: I by rho F Z1 into x1 by A1 plus Z2 into x2 by A2. Okay, here just convert this formula like this. Okay, just rewrite Z1 by x1 by A1 plus Z2 x2 by A2 equal to I by metal removal rate into rho into F. Here metal removal rate should be in centimeter cube per second. Density of alloy should be in gram per centimeter cube. That's why I converted these values in centimeter cube per second and gram per centimeter cube. So you'll get 6 gram per centimeter cube, 0.05 centimeter cube per second. Okay, after substituting these values here, you'll get 0.06908. so we have to find out percentage of metal P in the alloy. That means x2 we have to find out. So by taking options you can easily solve this. So the percentage of metal P in the alloy is closest to these options are percentage of metal P. Okay, that means first I am going to take option A, 40% of metal P. Okay, that means x2 equal to 0.4. what will be the x1? 0.6, right? So substitute these values here, check whether you are getting right hand value or not. So if you get left hand value is equal to right hand value, then that will be the correct answer. Repeat the process for option 2, option 3, option 4. While I am taking option 2, that is x2 equal 0.4, x1 equal 0.75, I am getting right hand side value. So that's why option B is correct. That is metal P is 25% in the binary alloy. Thank you.